welcome back to another cooking video. Today I'm going to be making some pepperoni sausage baked ziti with strawberry shortcake. Shout out to Andrea. She didn't exactly request this, but she did request the strawberry shortcake. So for the baked ziti, I have some Jimmy Dean Italian sausages, turkey pepperoni, and regular pepperoni. Regular pepperoni is a little greasy, so I kind of wanted to mix the two so it won't be too greasy. I got an onion and I'm gonna cut up, dice, and saute in a pan. I got some mozzarella cheese, shredded. And I got some mozzarella sliced cheese that I'm gonna throw on top, some ziti pasta noodles, and some Prego roasted garlic and herb. You can use any kind of sauce that you prefer, but we like this kind. So for the strawberry shortcake, you just need some Cool Whip, some vanilla cake, and strawberries. Okay, so I got some boiling water. I'm about to add my ziti noodles to the water. I used to add oil to my water, but I was watching somebody cook some macaroni and cheese or something on YouTube, and they said they don't add oil to their water. I'm just about to add some salt because it makes your noodles all slippery, and whatever you're mixing with your noodles won't adhere to the noodles, if that makes sense. It made sense to me, so that's why I don't add oil to my water anymore. So to this pot, I'm gonna add both packages of my Italian sausages. While we waiting on the sausage to cook, I'm gonna chop up one whole onion. Drain the pasta, and I also drain the meat mixture here because I don't want it too greasy. So I'm gonna just dump all of this into the pasta. Okay, so now we're gonna add the spaghetti sauce. Make sure you add some water in your jar so you can get all of that spaghetti sauce up out of there. See? This stuff I already know I'm gonna need to use too. I hate dry spaghetti, noodles, lasagna, whatever. Now I'm gonna add the mozzarella cheese. And I didn't add any seasonings because the sausage is Italian sausage, so it already have seasonings and it's high in sodium, as well as the pepperoni. We are almost done, y'all. You can eat it just like this out of the pot, but I want some top cheese, top crispy cheese. So I'm just gonna add this to a baking dish. Oh, is this gonna be too small? Uh-oh, hold on. See how this is kind of a cross between pizza and lasagna and spaghetti? This is my first time cooking with the ziti noodles. They seem too big for me, for my liking. Next time I'll probably use like bow ties or like the spiral noodles, or maybe see if they even have any mini ziti. All right, so I'm just gonna use this cheese here. Of course you can still use the sprinkled cheese and sprinkle it on top, but I guess I'm just being extra and I bought slices. Actually I need to overlap it because we need everything, every morsel to be covered with cheese. Okay, so I used all the cheese. I could have used one more, but I ran out and I didn't want to open up a whole new pack just for this little corner here. But once the cheese melts, this should get covered. So I'm gonna pop this in the oven on 400 degrees for about 15 minutes, if that, because all I'm trying to do is get this cheese melted, because everything else is cooked and the cheese that's inside of here is already melted. Dinner is done. We got Deja greedy self about to get her a plate. This is right down her alley. She loves stuff like this. Yes.
You okay? You okay, mama?
Look at the inside of there. All right, y'all, I'm gonna have to cook the strawberry shortcake in a separate video. I promise I'll have this video out tonight for y'all and the strawberry shortcake tomorrow, because I gotta go. I gotta run and I don't have time to make it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe if you're not already, and stay tuned for shrimp and grits. I think I'm gonna make some meatloaf, some chicken or shrimp Alfredo, and a seafood boil. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.